Hey everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. In today's episode of lectures, I will talk with you about the variety of one-piece sleeves. I recently made a delightful jacket for myself. Organza with leaves on a synthetic winterizer. I am very pleased with this cut. This is not a simple one-piece fit sleeve, but a little deflated. This pattern will help you to do interesting things. When I showed you a sleeve with one-piece dress, there were 2,100,000 views. And when we start doing Global Fashion Workshop show, all the girls there sewed a one-piece sleeve. But you know what surprised me? When we announced the Instagram competition, there were 4,000 photos. It was like a popular movement. So why am I saying all of this? I want to open your eyes and make you see a one-piece sleeve. This is the cut that can help you in short term create yourself some very interesting outfit. Because the sleeve is not just a simple part, it can be combined, flared. We have 10 dresses on the channel. I remember how I made myself a long dress with an open back and a beautiful sleeve. And when we did the Instagram competition and the girls, showing their imagination, made so many magnificent dresses that we were all surprised at the studio. I always tell our students how talented they are and ask why they went to different jobs if there are such gifted fashion designers in their hearts. Fantasy just rolls over. I want to remind you today about one-piece sleeve. It can be completely different. I want to start with the form. You can make it from the beginning of your armhole to the waist. You can make it very neat. You can choose any length of the sleeve. Someone loves drapery. Absolutely any neckline. With shuttlecocks, with bottoms. There are a huge number of models and forms. In addition, there is a sleeve with a trimmed side. This cut makes things elite. You will never find this in the middle mass market. But in boutiques, it will be so expensive. Not all masters can do this. We have all this on our channel. Check this out. I told you about the variety of forms. Now let's talk about the destination. These are blouses, tunics, dresses, raincoats, coats. This is a limitless number of ideas. And of course, it is impossible to mention everything in one small lecture. But my goal now is to push you to diversity. I want you to be brighter. I especially appeal to the new ones. You don't know what happens here when there was a show and an Instagram competition. Thanks to everyone who participated, who won, who came to us. I want to remind the rest of those possibilities that one-piece sleeve gives you. It is very comfortable. It's our coats, dresses and blouses. Soon you will see my jacket, full sleeve deflated. It can be of any slope, a huge amount of material. Find some in our channel and get inspired. And I, in turn, will continue to give you new images, funny, vibrant and interesting. Soon I will go to Europe, and from there I will bring you ideas. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to this channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.